So we got a 55 Ford Thunderbird 292 V8, 6-volt car, factory 6 volts, new battery, water pump, air cleaner, fuel pump. Everything's been pretty much replaced. 100,600 miles on it. I'll walk around, show you guys the car. Factory power windows and power seats. It says 106.95 on the odometer. There's the top. Headliner's very clean. All original. 3-speed with overdrive manual transmission. It does have overdrive. There's the side, factory hubcaps, wheels. Walk around. Cool feature I like, the exhaust comes out of here and here, dual exhaust. 1955. So you're looking at it. I'll show you guys the other side of the headliner. It does have the soft top and the hard top, as you see. Soft top's tucked underneath the back, so you can pop that top off and have a soft top. Convertible runs really good. Close the hood. Beautiful car. If you guys have any questions, you can call Darwin or email me. Thanks for watching.